Hello guys, in this video we will be looking into how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube by using just 3 formulas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's skip to the video. So this is a perfectly solved Rubik's Cube 2x2. I'll be just shuffling it and then we'll go to fix it by using just 3 formulas. So here we'll first fix the white face of this cube. Opposite of white there will be yellow. That's just a clue. So we'll first take the corner piece, which is white and green and red. So we'll find another cube which is white and green. Here it is. So this is solved. You can see here both white and both green as solved. Now there is orange. So we'll have to find a cube which is having white and orange. Here it is. So this is solved. Okay. So even we can solve this as well, but I just want to tell you the first formula. The first formula is whichever cube is in the right corner, this will come here. The formula is R U R dash U dash. You'll have to repeat this continuously to get in the same position. So R U R dash U dash. The first white face is solved. We'll next fix the yellow, which is on the top. So there will be 3 options where you get. One is only single yellow. In this case, the single yellow, there is only one yellow. So this yellow should be pointing to us in the left hand side. If there are 2 yellows, then the 2 yellows should come here and here, and this one should be facing you. Okay, those are the multiple options now. So we'll first start with this. There is just one yellow piece. This yellow is pointed to me. The formula is R. This is the second formula. The formula is R U R dash U R, then 2U and then R dash. We'll have to repeat it continuously. Now again this yellow piece is gone somewhere else. We'll just point it to us and then repeat the same formula. R U R dash U R 2U and then R dash. You can see that it is already solved. Okay. Now the perfect cube is perfectly solved, but in some cases these two will be swapped or these two will be swapped. Okay. So I'll just as this is already solved, but still I'll scramble the top 2 and repeat the formula, which is the third formula. The third formula is R dash F 2B R F dash R dash 2B and then 2R. Okay. Now you can see that, as I said before, these all the phases are all solved, but these two have been swapped. So how to swap these two? The formula is again the same. R dash F R dash 2B, then R F dash R dash and 2B, then 2R. As you see, the cube is perfectly solved, and this is just 3 formula. With the use of just 3 formulas, we have completed the 2x2 cube. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be posting videos on 3x3 cube solving as well with similar kind of formulas. I'll be putting the formula in the description below. Please make use of that. Thanks for your time guys. Happy learning.